Say, O you who are denying or hiding the truth. The question is, why is Allah asking the Prophet to talk to these people and give a message to them? In other words, why did Allah reveal a whole surah addressing the people who are hiding the truth? And there's a story behind. And the story is that the Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he started preaching the message of Islam, and people got attracted to it, and they were coming to it in big groups, and they are listening to him, and they're getting influenced by the message, and say it makes sense that you give rights to the other human beings and you empower the disempowered. But the powerful people in the society were not happy with this message, and especially with the message which said that they should abandon idol worshipping and their old religion and old ways. So at multiple occasions they approached the Prophet to negotiate and compromise. But firstly, they came with offers, and there were three major offers they made to the Prophet, may peace be upon him. The first offer was, we will give you as much money as you want, and we will make you the richest person in our society. So we'll accumulate all the wealth we have, give it to you, you'll be the richest man in the whole area. Number two, you just mention any woman that you want, and we will ensure that you have that woman. You can marry her, you can own her, buy her. If it's a slave or a free woman, you can marry her. We offer you any woman in the land. And number three, we will follow you. So you'll be the leader. We'll make you the king. But just stop preaching this religion. And the Prophet very famously said that if you put the sun in my one hand and the moon in the other, even then I'm not going to stop preaching this religion.